Hello everyone, welcome back to A Taste of Angel Lifestyle. If it's your first time checking me out, subscribe to the channel and I thank you so much. Tell your friends about Angel, A Taste of Angel Lifestyle. Today is an awesome day. I have my dear friend Hugh here. He is a great guy. I tell you, we've been talking about doing this right here, and now we finna bring it to reality about candy.
Well, thank you, Angel, for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
You're welcome. You are so welcome.
I'm excited to be here. So I'll just start off talking a little bit about what we're going to do today. I got the idea from my sister-in-law's mother. It's a really easy recipe. She got this idea from her aunt in Alabama, and she started bringing these treats to family functions and holidays and things like that. And Pat would bring these to our holiday functions, and last year she wrapped up gifts for us, and it was the candy wrapped up as a gift. So I thought, what a great idea. So what we're going to do is very easy. We start off with almond bark. You can either get the white chocolate, or it comes in a milk chocolate.
Wow.
It comes in a big block, and I'm just going to break the block up like this into smaller pieces.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put it into a bowl. And then basically you just microwave it. I just start off at 1 to 2 minutes and check it maybe every minute or every 30 seconds and stir it until it's good and melted. And then we'll move on to the next step.
Okay,
so
great then.
I'm going to go ahead and go to the microwave and get this started.
Do that. Yeah.
All right, we now have the chocolate good and melted.
Okay.
So basically, you just select whatever type of nuts or ingredients you want. Walnuts is one of my favorite, has a good nutty flavor. I also use these mixed nuts, cashews, almonds. This is a variety of mixed nuts.
Whoa.
Peanuts is a favorite. I think you can't go wrong with that.
Of course.
I think my mother's favorite are pecans.
Oh, yes.
So she likes the pecans, but
just little.
So we have some walnuts. I'm just going to kind of pour them in here and stir around. I like a lot of nuts in mine. So,
okay, I totally agree.
Sometimes I put a little too many, but it's just really depends on if you want more chocolate or I think the more nuts help hold the chocolate together, makes a nice shape. So I just kind of stir it around a little bit. And it's just as simple as that. There's no other ingredients you need to add, no butter or anything like that.
Really?
So the next step, we just will spoon it out onto some parchment paper, and it dries, just whatever size you want, and it takes about 20-30 minutes to dry at room temperature. But, I just take like a spoon. It can really be any size, and then I just drop it onto the parchment paper like so. You can make large or small pieces. I'll just make a combination of both. If they're too large, they easily break apart, so that's no problem at all. I'm gonna keep working here. It can get a little messy with the chocolate running.
Can we do some chocolate?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay.
That's one of my favorites.
Okay.
We, around the holidays, we made a mixture of white chocolate and milk chocolate geese.
Wow.
And just put them in little bags, little decorative bags. And my mother actually did that for church, for some people that were unable to attend during the pandemic. So her circle went around visiting, and they dropped off some little gifts and some candy. We have our candy here, and we'll let it just kind of gel or congeal at room temperature for about maybe 30 minutes to an hour. It will be ready to eat or serve.
Okay, we're gonna do chocolate next, guys. Stay tuned now.
And we're back. We're gonna make some more candy. We have our milk chocolate now.
Oh, that looks so good.
Got that nice and melted, so it's absolutely delicious. So just like before, I'm just gonna put these pecans in there. You could chop them up if you want. I just We left ours whole pieces.
Yeah,
I like the crunchy texture of nuts, so I tend not to chop mine up.
The candy will not stick.
The candy will not stick to the parchment paper. Absolutely not.
Okay.
It's a great, easy cleanup. I've made this a million times, and
Whoa.
it doesn't stick to the parchment paper. Once the candy cools down, you can just pick it up. It lifts right off the parchment paper, so no mess at all.
So true. That is so true.
And
I
here we
think
are.
I'm going to do this right here. I just have this right here looks so good.
I usually do that, but I wasn't gonna do that while we're on camera. So you did what I was thinking.
Delicious, guys. I tell you, what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this candy cool down, and we're gonna display it. And I had already tasted the chocolate good, but me and you are gonna come back and we're gonna sample it and let you know how good it is. Stay tuned. They look so delicious.
And they're real easy to pick up from the parchment paper, so they don't really stick at all. If you happen to have a big piece, you can just break it up however you would like. And it's delicious.
Oh,
so simple to make,
beautiful.
and it's just a fantastic dessert or just anytime treat. I think I'm going to try just of our handiwork.
Yes.
So I'm going to.
Guys, look at this right here. This is beautiful.
Delicious.
I'm trying to see which one I want. I think I'm going to try the chocolate. Look at it.
So good. And calorie free. Just easy. Absolutely delicious.
This is awesome. The nuts, the chocolate is so creamy.
And we were talking earlier, you can try different ingredients like candy that you may have left over. I believe you were mentioning that. M&Ms, just anything that you have around the house. It's fun for children to jump in. A great little project. It's so easy. They can help mix things up or pick the ingredients. So just a real fun family project.
You make me want to put on the coffee pot now.
That sounds good.
Oh boy, this is delicious, guys. You got to try this recipe. It's really simple, it's really easy. And Hugh, thank you so much.
Well, thank you for having me, Angela. I've really enjoyed it. I've had
so
a great
nice.
time.
You got to come back now.
I will. I
You're
definitely
gonna have
will.
to come back. We thank you so much for tuning in to A Taste of Angela Lifestyle. And tell your friends, tell your family, tell everybody, your co-workers about Angela. A Taste of Angela Lifestyle. And do not forget, these right here is very nice, very simple for Easter. Hugh, thank you again, and we thank you, and God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.